Today, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful frosted glass effect with rounded corners. It's a clean, modern look, and the best part is that it's surprisingly simple to achieve. To get this result, you only need 2 layers. Let's break down exactly how to set them up. The outer shell. You'll want to set your stroke or border width to 1 pixel. For the color, we're using a soft gray tone. Layer 2, the inner fill. Next, look at the second layer, the inner fill. You can actually copy and paste the same settings from your outer shell to start. Just position it inside the first layer. The secret sauce. Now, here's the real trick to making it look like high-quality frosted glass: transparency. Instead of using a solid color, you'll want to lower the opacity of that inner layer. By adjusting the transparency, the background will peek through, giving you that soft, blurred, frosted appearance that makes the design pop. And that's it! Just remember, keep that outer stroke thin, keep your colors consistent, and play around with your transparency levels until you get that perfect frosted look.